Hello my internet chums, this is Dan from BLOTT WORKS. This is just a quick video just to let you know that I'm okay. This is just the beginning of the whole COVID, I keep saying COVID, I'm a bit of a crow lover. COVID-19 sort of ramp up, so it's all getting pretty unusual out there. So I know a lot of you are suffering quite badly or getting pretty worried about it because it's going to be pretty tough. I have to say for me, I'm probably going to be, and for BLOTT WORKS indeed, it's probably going to be fine. I'm a bit of a kind of a friendly loner or a sociable introvert, I suppose. So I kind of really, although I really like seeing people, hanging out with people and getting out and about, I'm probably at my most comfortable when I'm here in my workshop or in the home with Han, just getting on with stuff, and that's what I feel most comfortable doing. So all this sort of self-isolation sort of in a way suits me quite well. Also with the with my plans for BLOTT WORKS, it's all pretty much stuff. The next couple of months are going to be mainly about new designs, about commissions, about getting on with videos and getting on with photographs, and just online marketing. So it feels like that sort of fits in. So I have to say I'm really lucky on that front. In terms of the business and sales and stuff, and it's kind of a big unknown really. It's going to definitely affect me. I sell stuff through the shops and galleries, and they're all going to really suffer, I think, over the next few months. So my thoughts are with you lot. Hope we all, you all pull through. Likewise with shows and events, I've booked in more shows this year. I had a really quiet year in that regard last year. So the shows I've already booked, they've been either postponed or cancelled, and the ones I think likewise for the ones I was looking at. So it looks like it's going to be pretty quiet on that front as well. But who knows? Those who've got money coming in, proper jobs and that, of you out there, hopefully, and you're now sat at home working from home on your bare home desk. Then what you really need is a super cool desk lamp or something to add a bit of quality to your day and to look really good when you do video link ups with work and stuff. So maybe that will work in my favour. Who knows? But it's all to be seen, isn't it? Really. So I'm going to be doing a quick new series of workshop videos about the new collection of lamps that I'll be working on, taking you right through from idea this time rather than starting you halfway through the process. Take you right through from the early ideas, which is all about balance and gravity, and trying to use those as simple bit of simple GCSE physics to produce something that's kind of got a satisfying feel to it. So they'll be starting in the next couple of days or so. And otherwise I'm kind of got to just keep myself amused with other stuff. So I've just got myself some new hair bands, which those of you that have been watching some of my early videos knew that I've been struggling with my long hair. Much as I like having long hair, it just drives me mad, and it can be a real problem. It's a daily worry or daily issue. So a friend of mine advised these hair bands. I haven't really tried them yet, but it might make a difference for me, or make a change from my man bun. Obviously a bit of home grooming or self grooming wouldn't go in this, all that kind of stuff. I've been feeding the birds with a lot more enthusiasm recently, so I've got plenty of bird food. I've got a huge great box of pellets as well, which I thought I'd never get through, but now I can force feed them. Now they've got more time to do that, so the birds are going to be pretty well fed around here. The only big worry really is, although we're covered with most things, I've just noticed we're getting really short of marmalade. So I need to address that situation pretty quickly, because that could get serious very soon. And of course I've got these little music boxes. I've got loads of these little fellas, which you can't hear unless I do it on here. Lots of these little fellas. That will just keep me amused. So I think we'll leave it at that for now. Thank you very much for listening. My thoughts go out to you lot, especially you lot are going to be hit really hard by this. If you've got any, you want to get in touch, I'd be really happy to chat about it, especially if you're working in my sort of world or similar, or just want to chat about the whole situation, or just send me comments. That would be great. We need to connect up, don't we, in these times? So thanks for listening. Stay safe. I think it's probably a stay safe, and we'll speak soon. Bye for now.